So here is the church blog, First Unitarian Church of Orlando Community News. Up here in the URL bar, you see the address 1ublog.org. I'm assuming that you have logged in from the back end, so you're going to see this black bar with My Sites, Reader, and over here on the far corner, the right button, your profile, and the little bell. Click on My Sites and you'll get to the dashboard. We scroll down to Tools and then over to Export. Then we go to Export All over here on the button. You will see that your report was successful and it will be sent to your email as a link. You can also go ahead and grab it right now by clicking on the download sort of black button in the corner. After that, if you want to, you can slide down to Export Media Library and download all of the pictures. You see it happening down here in my lower corner. And then that's it. You will relabel these two zipped files with today's date that you did a backup, and you will put it into our Google Workspace. Here we are at the main church website, First Unitarian Church Orlando. Up here in the URL bar, you can see orlandouu.org. I'm assuming you've also logged into the back end, so you can see this black editor bar at the top. In a similar way, you're going to come over to First Unitarian Church of Orlando, slide down to the dashboard and click. Once that menu appears, you're going to slide down here on the left sidebar down to Tools and come over to Export. And then you're going to choose all the content and download this export file. And you see it happening here in the lower corner. And this is what you would upload into our Google Drive. Here we are in the 1U Web Team Drive. You'll see the different folders listed. Although the numbers may or may not change as folders rearrange, it will always be backup files. Right now it's number 4, backup files. So if you click in there, you'll see I already made folders for today's backups, the one for the blog and the one for the main website. I've also already uploaded some things in the blog, but let's go in there. You'll see I already put all our media pictures. I'm going to go ahead and click and drag and bring in the other part for the text. You'll see it upload, and there you are. That's all you have to do in both folders. Just go to the different websites, find the dashboard, slide down to Tools, slide over to Export, and pick the things you're going to export. After you've downloaded those, come over here to the Web Team Google Drive, find the correct folder, and then click and drag into the right place. So there you go. Now you know how to do your backups.